Let's explore how to use the decimal to fraction accordion on the calculators page of Toolkit.law. Start by navigating to the Numbers section and selecting Calculators. Then, click on the Decimal to Fraction Accordion title bar to open the tool. Enter any decimal value in the input field, such as 1.5, and click the equals icon to instantly view its fractional equivalent. The result appears right below, displaying both the decimal and its corresponding fraction clearly for quick reference. You can use the clear or recycle icon to reset the fields, the download or share icon to save or send your results, and the undo icon to revert any recent changes. Integrated with Toolkit.law's productivity suites, this tool ensures that your mathematical conversions stay organized and connected with your broader workflow. Whether you're preparing financial records, drafting contracts, or presenting numerical data, the decimal to fraction accordion helps you work with precision and efficiency. And that's how you use Toolkit.law's decimal to fraction accordion.